In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create Klaviyo emails. To get started, make sure you are logged into your Klaviyo account and looking at the main dashboard. Along the left side, you will see the navigation menu where most of your building tools live. Find and click Content. This is where Klaviyo stores the assets you will reuse across campaigns and flows. After you click Content, select Templates. Templates are a great choice when you want a design you can save, duplicate, and update later without starting from scratch each time. Once you are on the Templates page, look to the top right and click Create. This opens the creation options so you can choose what kind of template you want to build. Select Email, then click Create again to confirm and launch the editor. After that, you will be placed into Klaviyo's latest drag-and-drop interface. This is the visual builder where you assemble your email design by placing content blocks onto the canvas. On the left, you will see the sidebar with the building blocks you can use. From here, drag images, text, or buttons directly onto the main canvas area. When you add a text block, keep your message easy to scan with short lines and clear spacing. When you add an image, make sure it supports the message and does not overpower it. For buttons, use a simple call to action and keep the label concise so it is easy to tap on mobile. As you build, take a moment to keep your layout consistent and aligned. This helps your email look polished and professional. Also, leave enough padding around sections so the design does not feel crowded, especially on smaller screens. When you are ready to check how everything looks, go to the top right and click Preview and Test. This is where you can review the mobile view, which is important because many subscribers will read your email on a phone. Look for text that is too small, images that feel oversized, or buttons that are hard to tap. After you are satisfied with the design, click Done, then Exit. Your template will be saved automatically, and you will be able to find it later in your templates list under Content. That covers everything you need to know.